got a rocket launch. Alright, snip off the cord. Is it coming? Alright. Here, I'm mulching this good. Here, just hold this just like this, brother. Nice and steady. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. It's de-stress day at the shop today for multiple reasons. But we're gonna mulch some shit today. So thank you for tuning in. Let's show you guys what we're mulching. Whatever, if this is a humidifier or an air conditioner or something, it's getting mulched to shit. We'll see how it does. So yeah, here we go. Did pretty good. I feel much better. So, if anybody out there is stressed out and you have a forestry mulcher, just grind up some crap. I feel a lot better. Stay tuned to see what we're grinding next, because that was a lot of fun. So, thank you guys.